Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a sprint here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a sprint in Jira is a straightforward process that has a significant impact and should be considered carefully. Now, if one sprint was set up incorrectly with the wrong start and end dates or other incorrect details, obviously deleting them is a practical move, right? If you haven't already, I want you to click on the create a sprint here so you can see the step-by-step guide on how to delete a sprint. It's an easy process, really. Now I'm going to rename this one, and I could put it like custom date if you wanted. For example, start date is going to be August 29th and ends on August 30th. Click on update, and as I've said earlier, when a sprint is no longer needed due to changes in project scope or priorities, all I have to do is click on the option here, the three dots icon on the side of start print. Click on that and click on delete sprint. But of course, you will receive a notification pop-up window that says if you want or if you are sure to delete the sprint that you have created. If you believe that this sprint was created in error or by mistake, just click on delete. All right, but make sure that deleting sprints should be considered carefully because it's undoable. All right, so you make sure you have a backup copy of this sprint that you have created, and if you encounter any problems deleting a sprint here in Jira, if you encounter like a bug or a glitch, you might want to go to the help center, type in your questions to see if you get an answer. Otherwise, I need you to go to Jira customer support team, and we're going to raise a support ticket. And from here on the drop down menu, I want you to choose the technical issues and bugs if you are encountering problems deleting that, because normally it's an easier process. And from here, of course, you can summarize your issue, give a little bit of details, and you can put in like a supplemental evidential file, like a screenshot. And once you've sent it, one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to delete a sprint in Jira if in case you encounter any problems. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.